welcome to another video. Today unboxing video something Note 1, the original one, the first one, like which came out in 2011. So it was the first Note 1, so start unboxing. So something Galaxy Note, that's the box, and it has 5.3 inch WXG HD Super AMOLED display, dual core 1.4 8 megapixel camera, and front is 2 megapixel. It has a S Pen, S Art, advanced position, that's a GPS, full HD record and playback, 2500 mAh battery. So that it is something Galaxy Note 1, but it's GTN 7000. So let's see what's inside the box. So that's the phone. Normal instruction guide, quick start guide, charger, a USB cable, and that's the earphone. So if you compare with the one which out in 2011, probably they have a different accessories, but because this one is a refurbished phone, so that's why they have this new accessories. So if you want to buy a refurbished phone from China or anywhere else, so keep in mind the possibility like they don't have original accessories. So let's see. So let's start the phone. That's the phone, and to be honest, it's look like a brand new, and you can see sticker everywhere. So that's the S screen. And turn on if the battery is working. So something Galaxy Note GT and 7000. So it was the first Note phone, I think in 2011. I think the display was huge on its own time. So nowadays, you have around 6 inch, so no worry for nowadays. But in 2011, if you see this type of phones, they say, oh, massive phone. So I think this phone has Android 4.2 or 4.1. I think that's the latest version for that. And one more thing, I think the phone is a bit slow, so if you want to buy, just check it before, because it's a bit slow, like not fast. So that's the Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. Yeah. So you can see, the phone is a bit slow. So, but still, I think it's the price like go around 64, 65 euros. So I think At the price it's okay, but a bit slow, like if you want to try. But I saw the camera is very nice, it's very good. Now it's stuck. Not working, no response. Probably that's the big problem with the old version, because you know, like they are not working very well nowadays, because the technology goes very fast and they have a very heavy apps, or you know, like that. That's why the old generation phone, they can't, you know, they can't accept that app. So that's why a bit problem for them. So you can see not working. So it's laggy. So yeah, that's it, that's the phone. So if you want to buy from them, so I'll share a link with you. But I think because this oil is very heavy, but I think there is some developer like online, so they always make new Android OS for this type of devices, or probably they have a light version that you can use very well. So if you want to buy this phone, so I will share a link with you. And I think that's it for today. So I'll see you in the next video.